When a severe storm impacts your property, it can be a scary and stressful time. After the storm passes, give the team at Roof It Forward a call. We complete over 2,500 plus projects per year. To contact us, just go to our website at roofitforward.com. Enter your zip code or call us at the number provided. Let us take the stress out of getting your property back to pre-storm condition. Once we are scheduled out to your property, we will perform a complete video property inspection, including your roof, siding, gutters, exterior finishes, and any interior leaks you may have noticed. Once our inspection is complete, we will lay out a detailed plan which could include a repair, filing an insurance claim, or nothing at all. If an insurance claim is warranted, we will guide you through the claim process with your insurance provider. We work with your insurance company, not against them. Once the claim is filed, typically your insurance company will assign an adjuster to personally inspect your property. Roof It Forward will meet with the adjuster and walk them through the steps needed to return your property to pre-storm condition. Once the repairs are approved, your adjuster will present us with a detailed estimate showing the funds allowed for the repairs to be completed. We will use this estimate as our guideline to complete the project. Roof It Forward will complete all of the repairs for the insurance proceeds. You only pay the deductible portion of your claim, plus any upgrades or additional services. Then we are on our way. The next step is for you to choose your shingle style and color with your representative. Roof It Forward always works from the top down, completing all roof-related work first. You just pick the scheduled date available, and we will deliver the materials, usually the day before. Upon the delivery of materials, you will present the first insurance company check, plus any out-of-pocket expenses. The remaining funds will be provided by the insurance carrier at the end of the project. There are a few things you should be aware of the day the project begins for your safety, such as moving vehicles from the garage or the driveway. Our representative will go over additional expectations before the work begins. After all work is completed, we will send a final invoice for the project to your insurance carrier. The invoice will include all trades completed by Roof It Forward. Roof It Forward will keep you informed throughout the entire process and let you know when the final insurance check is on the way. Once we receive your final payment, we will then issue you our workmanship and manufacturer's warranty information. We look forward to earning your business and helping eliminate any stress the recent storms may have caused. We hope you will tell your friends and neighbors how smooth the Roof It Forward process has been for you. Keep in mind that a portion of all Roof It Forward project proceeds are donated to organizations promoting children's healthcare and cancer research. Together, we can Roof It Forward.